Guys, what is going on, and welcome back to Under the Car Stands video. Today I have for you Hayden Static E39 Touring 4K short. I like this because it says, first of all, it's a BMW video, and I love Beamer videos. They're amazing. And then the guy literally said it's a short video, so I know what to expect. All right, so before we get started, I would just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support on the car channel. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Let's hit it and let's pass it. I know to you guys that doesn't seem like that's a big feat, but to me that'll be amazing if we could hit it. All right, now let's get right into it. Let's check out this BMW. It's an E39 too, so it's an old one. JMR, Jeremy Reyes. Ooh, I like the rims. I like the rims. Is it a wagon? It is a wagon. Wow. For a wagon, that doesn't look too bad. It really doesn't. Wow. Owner. That was a nice wagon. You know, there's not a lot of wagons being made nowadays, you know, that looks just as nice as that. So it's pretty cool to see that. It's really pretty cool. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one, all right? Peace.